Welcome to our full guide on how to remove your bank account from PrizePicks. Managing your banking details is important for maintaining control over your account. First, let's log into your PrizePicks account. Enter your credentials carefully to access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section to manage your payment methods. Look for the Payment Methods or Bank Account Info option within your account settings. Now, choose your current bank account and follow the prompts to remove it from your profile. After removing your bank account, you'll see a confirmation message. Make sure to read any additional info provided. If you encounter any issues while removing your bank account, check our troubleshooting guide or FAQ section. Keep your PrizePicks account secure by regularly updating your login details and monitoring your transactions. Removing your bank account might affect your betting activities. Make sure you're aware of any changes to your account functionality. Thank you for watching. Remember that managing your bank information is crucial for a smooth experience on PrizePicks.